गाइस हेडलाइट्स काफी डैमेज हैं बट क्लीन होने लगे हैं.
This hood is completely seized, but it's finally coming loose. These seats are completely ruined. There's mold and damage everywhere. There was so much dirt built up in here. The old wiring is almost completely damaged. The engine looks completely seized. The oil is completely ruined. Now the real cleaning is finally starting. This rust has gone really deep into the metal. The entire floor panel will have to be replaced. Now the structure is finally becoming strong again. The surface is finally starting to feel smooth now. The entire brake system was completely jammed. Now the suspension is finally starting to look clean. Now we're finally going to start rebuilding the engine properly. The pistons actually look surprisingly salvageable. The carbon buildup inside was completely packed in. Now the engine is finally going to run smooth. The fitment is coming together perfectly. Now the engine will finally get proper compression. The turbo is finally starting to look almost brand new. The turbo setup is finally complete now. We are building the exhaust line fresh now. The rust protection will stay strong now. Brakes are fresh now. The fuel system has been completely replaced now. Body preparation is really important. The dent is almost perfectly straight now. The surface will now get a smooth finish. The body is getting ready for paint now. The primer coat is coming out perfectly even. Keeping the edges clean is very important. The white color is looking amazing. Now the shine will come out perfectly. The final shine is starting to come through now. The surface is becoming like a mirror now. The chrome finishing is looking perfect now. The headlights are looking brand new now. The engine is being seated back into place now. The final tightening is complete now. The fresh oil fill is complete now. The interior is giving a completely new feel now. The system has properly booted up now. The wheels are completely fresh now. The engine is finally alive now.
The idle is perfectly stable now. The final clean is complete now. Guys, this car has been fully reborn.